Hey guys, welcome to Chris Hansen Barbecue. Today we're doing a quick video on the Weber Smoky Mountain, how to use it. It's very easy, very simple, and once you get the basic mechanics down, you can make delicious meals no problem with ease. So anyway, we got the base, we got the body, and we got the top. Those are the three main parts to it. Now inside you got all different parts to every part. So anyway, with the base, I know mine is dirty. I'm probably just going to clean it out in the spring. I do it once a year. I've had this for about 7 years now. So anyway, you got three dampers. There's three dampers. One here, one there, one there. All right. Now this is your coal ring. This is going to hold the charcoals in the center. Your charcoal, your wood, bam. You need this kind of gap for airflow. It's designed this way. It works great. So basically, with the bottom dampers, if it's burning too hot, close the dampers up a little. Now, my advice is until you master this, close them all up the same. You want them even. Close it. You're gonna have to wait. If it's burning too hot, it's gonna take a little while for it to come down. It's not instant, all right? So just be patient. What I like to do is all three dampers open when I add my charcoal, and when it's getting to that mark that I want to cook at, I normally close it gradually, all right? Because it's easier to bring up the heat than it is to bring down the heat. So anyway, moving on, over here we got our lid. Now our lid has two main parts. It has our exhaust damper and our temperature gauge. Some people don't like the temperature gauge. I happen to like it. Mine's only off by a couple degrees, so I don't have any issues with it. Now moving on to the body. The body has a couple parts to it. Main parts here are the door. We have this easy access door. Now this easy access door creates a nice access point for if you want to add charcoal, wood, whatever have you. You're able to move the coals around if need be. You know, you're gonna find this helpful on long cooks. Say you're doing a brisket or even a pork butt. Over here we got this this grommet. It's for a temperature probe, your thermometer. You can run it right through here, pop it out the inside, right into the meat. Nice. However, I don't always use this. On long cooks I will, but I don't always use it. Normally, I'll just run it underneath the hood, and that's fine. It's probably not great for the wire, but that's how I do it. All right, so inside, got a water pan. Now, some people don't like the water pan. Some people love it. I'm one of those guys, I love the water pan. If you take the water pan out, it's gonna alter the way it cooks. Keep that in mind. All right, you're gonna cook differently without the water pan, okay? Now, I use mine. I use straight water. Some people put sand in because the sand will hold the heat. That's fine. Some people line it with tinfoil. That's a great idea. That's for easy cleanup. You could just rip the tinfoil and throw it right in the garbage. So here we have our bottom grate. Now with the bottom grate, if you're using a water pan, this is going to be the lower temperature. It's going to be a lot lower. Not a lot lower, but it's going to be lower than your top, okay? Now, if you're not using a water pan, obviously it's going to be hitting the fire faster. So, if you're using the water pan, basically how the fire works is, the heat works rather, it's going to be boiling the water, right? But the heat is going to be rising up the sides of the water pan, and it's going to be bouncing off the dome lid. Now when that happens, it shoots the heat down. The hottest part is going to be the top, okay? So if you're doing something like a brisket, something with a fat cap up with the water pan in, fat cap up. That's very important. If you do it opposite, you're going to dry your brisket out. Then you got your top. Alright guys, so I got the coals loaded up. What I did was I put the coals on the sides, kind of create a little crater in the middle. Now this is called the minion method. Different from the snake method you would use on a kettle, where you light one end and it'll burn. Basically what you're going to do is you're going to dump the hot coals in the middle. The fire is just going to spread out slowly. Now, I believe it was named after a gentleman named Minion. So right here I got some cherry wood. I like cherry wood. So we're going to roll with cherry wood today. I'm just going to spread them out. Now, do you have to do it like that? No. Certain pit masters that love the Weber Smoky Mountain, such as Harry So from Sloppy Daddy Barbecue, he likes to put his wood underneath the coals. So I try both ways. I don't notice a huge difference at all, so this is how I'm rolling. Now secondly, I got my water pan all cleaned out, and I'm just going to take the hose and just fill it up. Now, I'm probably going to go halfway full to 3/4 full. I'm just doing a rack of ribs today. So that's it. So that's all set. I'm going to get the coals ready to go. Got water in a water pan. My coal is all set. Alright guys, so using the chimney today, I got it about 3/4, 2/3 full. I'm using this Weber fire starter cube. I think these things work great. You can use little tumbleweeds that they sell. Those work awesome too. All I'm going to do is give that a light. Let it go. Now all you need is about half to 2/3, 3/4 tops full, and you're good. So right now at this time, all we're going to do is wait for the charcoal to be ready. Once that's ready, we're going to come back over here, dump it in. Once that comes up to temp, around 200, I'm going to start adjusting the dampers, because I'm going to want to slow down the fire a little bit. Okay, I want to start controlling the heat a little bit better. Alright, because if not, it's going to spiral out of control and go all the way up to 300. I'm shooting for that 225, 240 marker. Alright, right in there, that's how I like to cook my ribs. It's about 15 minutes passed by. We're at like 225 marker right there. We're gonna put our meat on. So today, doing some spare ribs. Nice. They're probably gonna go for 4 to 5 hours. We're gonna check on them in about maybe an hour and a half to 2 hours. We're gonna see how they're doing. For now, we're just gonna relax, let it go. Alright guys, 2.5 hours in. Look at that, holding the temp like a champ. Oh, let's see what we got here. Alright. So, it's like it's sticking nice. We're just gonna give this a nice little spritz. Looks like we're starting a little pullback. Alright, not bad. I'm gonna let it go. Alright guys, it's hard to see, but the temperature is still holding. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to pick this up. These ribs are good. Ribs are coming out very good. Got that nice bend in them. What I'm gonna do now is Just gonna apply some barbecue sauce. Ribs are done. They were on for 4.5 hours. And I'm gonna try to get these cut in between the bones. Doing some ugly cuts right now. Alright. 4.5 hours. Let's look at these. Well, you can see they're definitely juicy. You can see they got a nice little smoke ring to them. Give it a try. Very good. Oh, very good. Good smoke on it too. So guys, listen. That Weber Smoky Mountain will give you a good result. Now, I didn't wrap these. And then you could use aluminum foil, butcher paper. You could go a little longer with the cook. I like my ribs to have a little bite to them. Anyway, thanks for checking out the video. Hope you guys picked something up. Look at that. That's beautiful, man. It's a nice rib. Hope you guys picked something up. Remember, there's no wrong or right way to barbecue. There's only good and bad barbecue. If you guys give me a thumbs up and a like, that'll be awesome. Please subscribe. You guys take care.